Ako yung bitawan sa ilang tubig.
Hindi na sila si Kuanday? Sa iligan? Amo ba?
Annyeonghaseyo. It's my first time here in Philippines. Yeah, so this is Philippines.
What's your doing?
Sige, sige. May, saan tayo ngayon?
Wahi, amari buhok, yubun.
Thursday today.
Annyeonghaseyo, mabikibida. We're going to the Firefly, I don't know what this is. Firefly Sanctuary.
It's my watching.
Firefly.
Sama si Papi. Papa, what is it? Thank you for coming. Welcome to my birthday.
Tagutok.
Batag-ubok. Nasaan na tayo?
Para go to your Facebook.
Ada na dia. Dali pa din.
Itawag ka to. System. Mali na wala mauli.
Ay, may cheat mo rin.
Firefly, firefly yun. Firefly. Tapos kayo.
May pong firefly yun.
Ako, sa una.
Klaro, di banda doon to.
Ang masawa. Ako yung pinakabukat.
Dagko daw, dagko. Likod ka?
Di mag-bed you sila.
Mag-video ka, Paul.
So, saan man na ron?
Ay, bali na chuka dito sa iyo.
Ari, dari ko yan.
Ana.
Asan eh?
Depende kung kani ang usual nila nga kung mas dugay sila magpunod so around 2 to 5 months.
fully paid.
Buhat ako na ako sa bus. Amazing.
Manumbot.
Pwede na magpapidyo. Videohan ba yan?
Video ka na daw ni mo.
Ang mga lalaki, makaingon sa nakuha na kayo.
Puro di. Sige na sige. Ilog ko mamino. Makukulit ka sa mga. Yeah, gap. Parang nagana na ba? Ayun ba? Pag-group sa like
Ay sila sa lugar. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary for their
Ano sa goodbye na need
for
my
their
message?
anniversary.
How was your experience in the Firefly?
친구야, 네. 이문희입니다.
I'll be the
감사야. 나, 야, 요거, 이쁘다, 예쁘다, 아름다운, 네. 네, 나 시바부예.
Baboy,
네, 네, 입니다게, 나, 친구야. 너, 요거.
No boyfriend.
No boyfriend. No,
Hi, hi, hi.
It's beautiful.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
It's beautiful, but she have no boyfriend. It's beautiful, but she have no boyfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so
아름다운,
sad.
no, 요거.
So the Firefly experience is not worth it if you go
You
alone.
don't,
If
yeah.
you don't go.
You better have.
And you see lovers in front of you, like,
Oh,
they're
you're speaking
sweet.
English.
No, because I'm hurt.
Half-breed.
She's half American, half Korean, half Chinese, half
Kamsahamnida.
See you in the next vlog. Tomorrow we'll have the kayaking.
I'm farting.
Come here. What can you say about your experience Firefly?
It was a bunch of fireflies flew above the grass, the tall grass bush, mangrove tree, tall grass tree. Huh?
What more? What can you say about Tell me more about your Firefly experience.
The experience was more of a trip to Cebu than a firefly trip.
Trip to Cebu?
Yeah, it was more of a trip to Cebu, and now I feel like I'm in Cebu, and I just bought Pringles from the port 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Isn't even a 7-Eleven. What are you talking about?
How about you,
I
Z?
feel like I
Z, come here.
7-Eleven because I feel like
Tell me your Firefly experience.
Firefly. You got the firefly right here. I liked it, but I keep on accidentally opening my flash. It's never supposed to happen. Like, look.
So, reminder, turn off your flash during firefly watch.
Okay, goodbye, people. I'm leaving.
How was your firefly experience?
It's great.
Great. You were able to see the
Yeah, there's so many.
so many. Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Ang sini pa dito, Terex, sino mo?
Mm.
Ano man? Nindot at kami. Nindot kami. Nga na. Nindot ni. Ang kapila. Lupig na tayo. Ang iPhone na ginawa sa Firefly. Kamuha mo daw ata.
Sige ka mo.